When you try to access a missing page in Joomla, it will redirect to a 404 page, which is the traditional page with the white background and the red box in the middle. So if I type anything after the URL of the website that is not recognized by Joomla, here's what we will see. Now I'm trying to make things a little bit more easy for the user to understand that they've been redirected to a missing page. And I want to customize my 404 page. This is the type of error that we are talking about. It's called 404. So I'm going back to my Joomla. As you can see, my backend of Joomla is set with the component K2 that runs on Joomla 1.5. And I'm gonna go to content, and I'm gonna use the traditional article manager, not the K2 article manager. And here I'm gonna create a new article. And this article is gonna be named 404-page not found. And here I can write whatever text I think it could be useful for the user. For example, the page you are looking for have been renamed. Please browse back to the home page. Now I can choose a selection and categorize. I don't need to put this one in any category. I don't need to put this one in the front page. I just have to make sure that this is published and accessible. Then I can save this article, and as you can see, have been created on top of my list of article with the number 1. And if I go all the way to the right, it's going to tell me that this one has a unique ID number 46. This is a very important information that I will be using in a very short while. In fact, you can check in the documentation of Joomla, you can copy and paste a string of text that is going to point to exactly that article. As we have seen, that specific article is the ID 46. So if I go back to my home page and I do slash and I paste that code and I replace the XX at the end with the article number 46, and I press enter, here we go, this is my 404 page not found. I want to make this one my default page whenever someone types a URL that is not recognized by Joomla. Therefore, I'm going to copy the entire string here, and I'm going to go to the documentation of Joomla one more time, because Joomla explains very clearly how to create your own custom 404 error page. And I have to refer back to my server, and I have to go into my folder templates. Within the folder templates, I go to System. I'll find a file called error.php. I'm going to click on error.php, and I'm going to make a copy of it. So I'm going to use my legacy file manager to copy the file, and I choose the location of the copy of the file into public_HTML templates, and I'm going to choose the template that I'm actually using. So when I want to browse within the next folder, I'm going to click on the folder. When I find my destination folder, I'll just click on the name of the folder. In this case, I'm using a Rocket Team template called Visage for Joomla 1.5. I'm going to click on it, and I've done a copy of the error.php from public HTML templates system to public HTML templates and Visage. Here is the file. I'm going to click on error.php, and I'm going to edit this file with the code editor. Here is the code for error.php, the copy that I've created in the default template. I'm going to refer back for a minute to my Joomla documentation, and I'm going to copy this string of text that says if this error code 404 header location, and it defines which page to refer to. I'm going to copy the entire text. I'm going to go back to my error.php, the copy that I've created in the template, and I'm going to paste it here. You notice that by default Joomla assigns an arbitrary number to the error page. In this case, I'm going to change this one to 46, which is the actual article that I've created. I can save the file, go back to my home page, add a slash, and type anything I want, and it will redirect to the custom-made 404 page not found.